So hi everyone, I've been messing around with my Dremel to try and get it to sharpen a circular saw blade, and I think I've succeeded, So I've got the saw blade on a sled which is offset, and that just rides into the back of the blade, and then we just touch it just very gently to the back. So this is at 90 degrees at the moment, but it can be set to go to whatever angle you want it, basically. So how that works is, got this little stopper on the back, and we'll set it to the desired angle, set the stopper, and now we've got the angle. So basically you would take it in, you would do a tooth, miss a tooth, and then do the next one, etc, etc. And once you've done one side, you would turn the whole thing over, set the stopper again, set your angle. You would have to turn the sled around, and then turn the blade round, put it back in. There you go. And the other thing I like about this is, just turn this back round. You can also do the heads for the teeth, which I think is quite good. So that would be the same. So you'd set your angle at the back with the stopper, and just take it in. Would be the same this side as well. You would have to like hit a tooth, miss a tooth, then hit a tooth, and turn the whole thing over again, so you would get both sides. The problem I'm having is there's so little space around here, having problems with the stopper. So I have done a couple of teeth on it already just to try it out, but I used a wedge and just glued the wedge in place, so basically that acted as my stopper. But it's going to get a bit more problematic towards here, because I'm going to have something round about here, because the sled does travel further, so I can get the tops of the teeth. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to do. So basically at the back is all it is. It's just we've got a bolt here, bolts are just with wing nuts on, and basically we've got a pivot point here, and we've got a pivot point here, and basically the Dremel's most of the weight. What's keeping it is this little attachment here. I'm not entirely sure what it's off. It's got a little thumb screw here. Basically that comes in and out, and you've got to take the blade off first, obviously. So, but that's pretty much keeping it in at the back. It's just the hook itself off the Dremel. I would have been happier with a Jubilee clip round this, but I don't have a Jubilee clip, so I've made do with what I've got. So I'm just going to get set up, and we'll see it in action. So we're set up to do the tops of the teeth, so let's give that a go. finished saw, and I'm not sure if you can see this in the camera, but those are all done. Can we see the insides perhaps? Not very well, but they are all done. There was a few chips out the teeth, so this does need a little bit more work on the inside. I'll probably do an update to show you how the saw is cutting in the next couple of days. But, that's it. So thanks for watching.